I'm so motherfucking high. Let the flame never dry. You can say, give me the cry. Like the body that will ride, get it quick, cause you know I'm a fucking slob. I'm a piece of shit like a fucking rock. It don't matter, like a diamond that won't stop. Get this shit, cause you know forever won't mine. Then I get it like I'm sweeping with a mop. Now I got it, cause you know I got what I got. It's this shit like God, he ain't no facade. Now I got it, cause you know I'm fucking high. I'm the shit, I'm fly food whenever I spit. I'm a sick fuck, twisted, cause you know I am the shit. I repeat every word at least a couple times, like I was smoking on that herb. Like I got bad memory, make it for the fiends. This shit I keep on saying, like we smoking from that cream. Like we smoking our dreams, like we smoking our beans. This shit I keep on saying, cause you know that I keep it free. And I'm so cheap, I'm a motherfucking freak. I'm a beast, I'm a problem they can see whenever I speak. It's that shit. 1, 2, 1, 2. Slow and steady. I'm a son of a bitch, bastard piece of shit whenever I spit. Whenever I speak, I'm straight out my lips, like I'm killing whenever I hit. Like Wapood, I am the shit and I'm a diamond in the rough. I'm a killer whenever I spit, let me tell them I'm a sick fuck. I'm the only motherfucker leaving these other rappers in dust, making them look like they don't suck. I'm a cash it to them nuts. Did I mention I'm a sick fuck? Ripping straight to your brain, to your guts. Rip on your heart, that still ain't much. Rip on your heart, that still ain't much. But one thing I do know is that my technique is a must, and I hit the ground running. You can say I'm in a rush. I'm boss in this chaos, I'm still killing like guns. You can stay in my way, but you'll forever be done. It don't matter, cause you know I got that gun. Come my mouth right now, cause you know it's just for fun. Like a hobby with the bud, I don't care cause I get that stud. It's this shit that I keep on saying, every day I fucking stunt. I'm so 300 right now, I'm so 300 right now, like a Trojan in that shit.